Hello everybody. Today I'm going to tell you my journey that how did I learn English and how did I incline towards English. I'm going to share you all of this in English and you have to listen in English, and if you will listen in English then I guarantee you that this video will completely change your life. I guarantee you that if you want to change your life completely and if you want to speak English fluently, then definitely that watch this full video. If you will watch this full video, then definitely that you will improve your English and you will speak English fluently like I am speaking English in front of you. Why did I learn English and what's the reason that I learned English and who motivated me? These are the questions that you will ask me, and I will also answer these type of questions that why did I incline towards English. So this thing I am going to tell you, and I am going to also tell you my journey that how did I learn English. So let's start the video. So, first of all, I would like to share with you that I started my journey earlier, and you can say I started my journey on 10th of January. And on that day, I was not able to even speak a single word. Means listen that I was not able to speak even a single word. But now I can speak English more and more words, and I can speak English fluently. Why? Because I have cleared my basic and advanced. So I'm able to speak English in front of you. And I have cleared all the topics that I need and that I can speak English. So I have cleared all the topics and I can speak English in front of you. This is the reason that I am able to speak English in front of you. And you will ask me also that who motivated me to learn English. The reason is, or you can say the answer is, that anybody did not motivate me. I motivated myself and I learned English by myself, not my father, my mother, anybody did not motivate me. I found myself one platform and I learned myself by English, and now I'm able to speak English in front of you. And what are the four things did I do in my life or did I do in my childhood so I can speak English in front of you? I have did you can say I have done only four things. That's listening, reading, speaking, and writing. These are the four things I work upon this, and I am able to speak English in front of you. I will tell you. I will explain you also that what are the four things. These are the four things that I will explain you that what do you have to do, and in this case and how will you do this thing. So these are the things that I will tell you that how to do this thing. I will tell you all the things. So but first of all you will have to maintain consistency, because if you will maintain consistency then you will understand all the concept, or you will understand all the things that how did I learn English and how did I start my journey about my like any platform or anything. How did I start? I will tell you. And first of all, I would like to say also that when I used to study in school, and I also study in school now, you can say that I am studying in just 13th standard, you can say 8th standard, and I am just 13 years old. And if I can speak English, then you can also too. I am just 13 years old and I am able to speak English in front of you. So why not? You can't speak English. You can speak English because I can speak English, so you can speak English. But first of all, you will have to maintain consistency, and you will get to know in this video the strategy. That strategies means that that topics or that strategies, that how did I do that strategies so I am able to speak English in front of you. That strategies I will also share you. So first of all you will have to maintain consistency plus discipline is equal to success. Why am I saying like this, that consistency plus discipline is equal to success? Because if you will maintain consistency means regularly, if you will attain, if you will do that thing, and if you want to learn English skill, if you want to learn English and you will do that thing regularly, then why not that you will definitely speak English. Or if you have to learn any computer, if you have to learn anything, if you have to learn, then you can speak English or you can do learn that thing, because you are maintaining consistency. And if you will maintain also discipline, then I guarantee you that you will achieve your success, and you will definitely learn English or speak English fluently, like I'm able to speak English in front of you. And if I talk about my journey, that my journey is that now I tell you that how was my journey about any platform, or how was my journey, that how did I learn English and what are the four strategies that did I do in my life, and so I'm able to speak English in front of you. I'm able to tell you, and I will tell you all the things in this video. So let's start. First of all, I started my journey on 10th of January. I have already told in this video. And after that, I found one platform that I can speak English. So I found one platform, and by that platform, I learned English, and I have cleared my basic. First of all, I have cleared my basic. You can say has to have to, or any topic, any basics topic. If I have to clear, then I have cleared that basics topic. After that, I have cleared my advanced, because in like you can say that the through advanced I can speak English. But if I had not cleared advanced, then I would not speak English. But now I can speak English. Why? Because I have cleared my advanced, so I am able to speak English in front of you. So this is my journey, that I first of all I have cleared my basic, and then after that advanced, so I am able to speak English in front of you. And if you want to speak English like me, then first of all clear your advanced, clear your basic, then you will definitely able to speak English in front of you, in front of anybody, in front of you, or you can also practice in front of mirror. I tell you like again and again, that if you want to clear your basic and advanced, so first of all you will have to maintain consistency plus discipline is equal to success. Because if you will maintain discipline and consistency, then definitely that you will able to speak English in front of anybody. And if I talk about how did I practice? So I practice in front of mirror. How did I practice? First of all, I used to speak sentences when I was in basic. Means when I was in basic class, then I used to make sentences. I used to first of all I used to write sentences. After that, I used to speak in front of mirror. Then I used to practice this type of thing. After that, when I have cleared my basic, then I used to practice in front of anybody or in front of mirror. First of all, I used to choose any topic that which I have to speak, and after that I used to speak about that topic. That like I give example India. If I have to talk about India, then I will talk. There are seven seasons in India. This type and India is East always India is the best, and this type of thing I used to tell in front of mirror, so I am able to speak English in front of you. This is the reason, this is the way that you can speak English and I can speak English. So if you want to speak English, please write down in your copy which I tell you in this video. So please write down, make sure that write down in your copy and follow this type of things. So if you will follow this type of thing, then definitely that you will able to speak English in front of anybody. You will be able to speak English in front of anybody. It's my guarantee, guys. And if this method will not be followed to you, then you can write down in the comment section that this method did not follow to me. But if you will follow this method, then definitely that you will able to speak English in front of anybody. And if I talk about listening, reading, speaking, and writing, how is this possible that I can speak English by this method only? Because if you will listen, means first of all, what do you have to do? You have to listen in like in mobile. If you have mobile, you have computer, you have laptop. If you have TV also, then you can listen. Because if you will listen through mobile or any podcast, if you have to listen, or any story if you have to listen, then you can listen. Because if you will listen any story, if you will listen any podcast, then I guarantee you that you will definitely speak English. And if we talk about reading, means second point is reading is also important. Because like you read in Hindi, so you now from now you have to read in English. Because if you will read in English, then what will happen, like if you will read in English, then you will get to know that these are the concepts I can learn. And you will also get to know vocabulary is the main part of English, that you are not able to speak English in front of anybody. But if you know vocabulary, and I know there are many vocabularies which I know, so I'm able to speak English in front of you. So if you know vocabularies, then definitely that you will able to speak English in front of anybody. And if you don't know and if you don't know vocabularies, then you will not able to speak English in front of anybody. So this is the way that you can speak English. And third point is like second point, or you can say that first and second we have completed, mean listening, reading. Third point is speaking. What's the speaking that we can improve our English? Speaking means also, like if you are speaking English in front of anybody, means like English, thing that you are speaking English in front of anybody. First of all, you will have to clear your basic and advanced. And if you will clear your basic and advanced, then directly that you will able to speak English in front of anybody. So you will have to do practice of speaking. So the more you practice, the more you speak English, means the more you speak fluent English. Like I am able to speak English fluently in front of you, so you can also speak English. Why not that you can't speak English? Don't think that I can't speak English, because I thought that I can speak English and I can speak English fluently, so I am able to speak English in front of you. And if I thought, if I will think that I can't speak English, so I can't speak English. But if I will think that I can speak English, then definitely that I will speak English and I can speak English. So third point you have to do. And writing, what is writing? Writing means also that you have to write in your copy or anything. What do you want, you can write, means your daily routine, your past sentences or anything. If you have to write, then you can write the sentences, or you can write only 5 sentences. You have to write only 5 sentences. If you will write, then definitely that you will speak English. So this is my journey, guys, and this is my strategies that I did in my life, so I am able to speak English in front of you. And if you want to speak English very fluently, then follow this method. And if you will follow this method, then I guarantee you that you will definitely speak English, and you will say to me that these are the ways that I did, and I now I can speak English. So thank you, guys. We will meet in the next video, and this is my video about learning English and my story, that how did I learn English. And if you didn't like, then like, subscribe and share, because this was a life changing video. And you waited for this video, and like you maintain consistency. So I guarantee you that now you can speak English, and now you are ready to speak English. So thank you. We will meet in the next video.